welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't made a video for you guys. I've been like super duper busy with work and stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little quick eyeshadow tutorial. I got a party to go to today. It's my niece and nephew's birthday party at the park, so I'm gonna be doing that today. I did get some new palettes. These I didn't buy them, they were actually given to me by my sister-in-law, so shout out to my sister-in-law. She has BoxyCharm, which I should get since I do tutorials all the time. And I got this one from Pure. She gave me this one. This one has the glitter cut crease shadows. Like, this one looks pretty dope, so I'm gonna do a tutorial on this today. I might use that pink today. I'm gonna just use the Huda Beauty. So I'm gonna go with my Huda, and I'm gonna use this pink one here. It's called Doll Face. Hella quick. I already did my eyebrows, guys, but I'm doing this hella quick because the party starts at 1 and I'm trying to be there early. You don't want to be there late. I'm sorry if my family is watching this. I'm always fucking late and you gotta go around and say hi to everybody, so I want to be early so that everybody that shows up just comes and says hi to you instead of you having to do the whole circle. I know I'm not the only one in my family that thinks that, so don't come at me for that. Going with Risky and just hit the corner with the same brush. Then I'm gonna go with the Pure Festival palette. I'm gonna grab this color right here. It's called Fireworks. Really creamy after I got down to a couple layers of it, which is super weird, but I'm just gonna run with it. You know what, I'm just gonna go in with Black Truffle, which is the black one. Alright guys, so I did my foundation. I used the Fenty Beauty one that I got in my last video. I might have cut this corner a little bit too much in, but it's all good. Okay, so I was watching this girl's makeup tutorial. It wasn't her tutorial, it's that girl. I don't know if she pops up on your guys' homepage on YouTube, but she pops up on mine a lot, and I like watching her videos. I'm not sure what her, off the top of my head right now, I'm not sure what her YouTube is. But I'll add it in here. Anyways, I was watching her video and she gets her makeup done by a professional makeup artist. And he said to set your, like, whenever you put concealer on or anything, set it right away, because if you wait, that's why it gets all nasty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the concealer right away, just the concealer part, not the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty sticks, and I'll be back after this. Guys, so I went ahead and applied my lashes. I used the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk inside on my inner whatever the fuck it's called, inner bottom lash corner. where you would put your bottom eyeliner. I am using the Ardell 203 lashes. If you go to my Instagram, you can see which ones they are. I posted them. This is the look, the completed look. I'm not gonna add any more black because it was kind of difficult to blend with the glitter. But I do need to add some mascara to my bottom lashes now. I did add a little bit of the baby doll color to the bottom lash line. I fucking hate this. Like, I hate when you're like in a rush to go somewhere and your makeup's just not fucking cooperating. So after this, I just gotta hurry up and curl my hair and change. I'm gonna add some highlighter. You guys know I've been using the Fenty King of this one. I'll go ahead and put that on my nose. This is the completed look, guys. I mean, it's not the fucking best, but I tried. Time to do my hair, and thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell. Every time I post a new video, you get notified. Sorry I haven't posted in a really long time. It's probably gonna be like a week and a half or so. I am so sorry. I've been busy. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on my Instagram. I will put my Instagram in my bio, and I put it at the end of the video as well. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Peace out. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I just got back from a party. This is the makeup I did for the tutorial. I've had it on all day already. Look how bad this glitter crease. Like, it's just like flaking. So I wouldn't recommend this glitter from the Pure palette. I'd go with another alternative. I'm gonna get my hands on the Stila ones and I'm gonna try it out for y'all, but yeah, dude, it's horrible. Overall, it looked nice for like the first, I want to say couple hours. Not couple hours even, because I wasn't even there that long. I got there like at 2 and it's about 6 right now, so it should have not creased this bad. And then my makeup ripped off here because I was eating and I was just wiping my face. But yeah, I don't recommend that.